Kalakochera, here we are in Montbéliard and there's a castle. Come and join us.
Okay na to.
Look at the castle here in Montbéliard, France. Montbéliard, but it's quite not really so far, but we need to have some breakfast, so breakfast in the road, and we also need to have some rest. And now we're driving to Montbéliard in France, so come and join us. We will drive going to Montbéliard from Nancy.
Use the right lane to take exit 9.
Is the shuttle.
In 1 kilometer at the roundabout, take the second exit onto D.
It's Montbéliard, huh?
Yeah. No, not yet, I think.
Not yet?
Tama sa gitna ng mga bundok, may mga village na ganyan. Yan, ang ganda, Teo. Diba? Ganda niya. Napapaligiran ng bundok at dito rin, meron din dito sa kabilang side. Bundok sila rito sa France. Oh, may soccer field din sa loob, football field.
It's always nice to see those little boys.
Almost by the
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Route de Grand Charmont.
They have Burger King even here in the mountain.
Yeah, Burger King is everywhere, like McDonald's.
Oh, nice, beautiful flower. There's Montbéliard. We go there.
In 1.2 kilometers, turn right.
So we're entering Montbéliard here in France. So this is it. Stoplight. We're going to the castle, and this is the castle.
That's the castle?
Turn right, then take the first right onto Esplanade des Princes.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's the castle. We're going to the castle, as you see.
Oh, can we?
So we're entering Montbéliard and there is the castle. I see that already.
Left onto Rue du
Beautiful. I hope it's beautiful also from inside.
Oh.
And we're
Sige,
going to
hayan.
the
O, sige,
castle.
climb pa ka na dun sa castle. O, sige na. Paano ka akit dyan sa castle na yan? O, hayan po. Ayan ang ganda ng station, no? This is a Montbéliard, oh. Bus station. See? And here is the castle. We're going to the castle of Montbéliard. Montbéliard Castle. Opposite side lang ng station. Oh, ayan, castle. Pa kami dyan. Samahan nyo kami.
We need to walk in the surrounding going inside of that
Ganda
castle.
ng castle
The
mo.
castle is quite high. You need to go walk
Isa pa.
up. So we will have a look inside of the castle. We go in.
2, 3.
Come in my castle.
Yan, entrance ng castle. Akyatin na natin. We go. Ha?
Picture.
Oh, yan ang pansarado. Oh. Ayun, pansarado ng castle. Yan, oh. Anong awaw. Yung pangsara.
Here, there must be a gate. Up here,
Yeah, you can close that.
and they can close the gate.
Ayun gate, oh. Ayan, ate. Binili ko na yan para sa'yo. Yung castle, oh.
Pinala niya po ako dito sa lugar na to. Dahil binili pala ako ng
Castle.
magandang lupain na may bahay na.
Ayan, oh, kastilyo.
Pambahay na bato.
Oh, look.
Ano na kasi.
Bato. Oh, look at that, the castle. Ganda.
So we're here inside the castle now, and the castle has a
And that's
beautiful
mine.
garden actually.
Look. Ganda. Ganda ng castle, ah. Castle Montbéliard. Oh, look. Ayan ang Montbéliard, oh. Para kaming magkakaaway. Doon siya. Mula doon sa castle. And then, ay si Banchoten. Mula doon sa bahay niya. Look. And this is Montbéliard. Overlooking, oh. Where's our car? Overlooking. Diba? Ang ganda. And that's the castle. And
This castle also known as Chateau de Wartenberg.
yan ate, yung binili ko sa yung castle.
Laki. Salamat po.
Oh,
Why
dyan.
don't we park downstairs? We could park here.
Yeah.
Oo nga, pwede no.
Look. Yan te, laki ng castle mo. Oh. Castillo.
They are watching us, Karina.
Who?
They,
Who they?
they're really scary people are watching us.
Where? Who? Pagalitan ka.
Side there.
Te! Te, mapapagalitan ka! Nako.
And this is overlooking actually here in Montbéliard, France. And the castle now
Ayun, oh,
actually is
ate,
a
oh.
museum here in Montbéliard. So it's a castle Montbéliard, and also well known as Chateau de Wartenberg.
Damans.
Look, nice,
Yan.
ah. Nice gardens with those picture also here in the
39.
garden by the portraits,
Ganda.
and
1,
it's also
2,
a castle
3.
in the same time.
Oh. Choten. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
So this is the
Yan, maganda.
castle, my gift for you at the Ems. Or you can bring the castle to the Philippines or carry it na, okay?
Sap-sap
Or you can
pa.
stay here and live here
Okay
alone
na po.
in the castle. Kaya nagustuhan mo ba ang castle mo? O diba? O dalhin mo na. Pero
Yeah.
hindi mo makayang bitbitin, picture na lang. So that is the castle here in Montbéliard. And after we're on the way now to Switzerland, we will have a look at
In
Castle
6.2 kilometers,
Another
at the
castle
roundabout,
is
take the second
Castle
exit towards Vienna.
Austria has